Good day everyone, my name is Hector Elliot Altaha and today I'm here with my sister,
Angelica Alvarez.
and just a reminder before we start, she is already 31 years old, which means her age is qualified enough in order to be part of this PZA activity that we're about to make. So, today I'm going to teach you about drawing conclusion. Like, it's just like the other PCA, but this one is more about on the graph. I have here a PowerPoint for you to further visualize how it looks like and for you to further understand it more as you have a basis. So, we are going to talk about the shape, trend, and variation. In terms of shape here, we can say that the shape is linear. It's always linear here in the scatter plot. You can tell that it is a linear as it has a straight line. So that will be the shape that should be discussed. And next is the trend. The trend, which means direction, is what the directions here itself. So as you can see, it is from rising from left to right, which means that's its direction. In trend, we have three characteristics. First one is the positive. As you can see, the positive here is from rising from left to right, as you can see. And next one is the negative correlation. In negative correlation, we have the points are rising from left to right, as you can tell here in the picture. And the third one is the no correlation or negligible correlation, as it has no direction to be followed. As you can see, it's just scattered here in the graph. It has no direction at all, so you can really follow what is it. And the next one is we are going to talk about the variation, which means the strength. In positive correlation, we have like it's the same. We have the strong and the weak, and of course the no correlation, negligible correlation. The first one is the strong positive. As you can see, it has a direction from rising from left to right, which means that it is positive to be characterized. It is strong as there are some points that is not on the line, but it is closely on the line. Like, it's not scattered at all compared to the weak positive. By definition, weak positive is the one that is scattered. It is in positive, it is more scattered than the strong positive correlation. There are points that are somehow far away from the line, from rising from left to right. And here in the no correlation or negligible correlation, it has no direction, just like what I've said earlier. It is unrecognizable. What does it follows? It's just scattered all around. So let's proceed now to the negative correlation. What are the variation here? Like, what are the strength? So here in weak negative correlation, it is the same from the positive correlation, but the difference is that it has moderate negative correlation. So the weak positive correlation is scattered, so as the moderate negative correlation. But the difference is the moderate negative correlation is somehow closer than the weak negative correlation to the line. And the strong negative correlation, just like the same with the positive correlation, it is so close to the line, even though it is scattered a little bit. So that's it. That's the discussion, and just take note that in negative, it rises from left to right, while the positive is from just like what I've said earlier, from left to right. So now I'm going to ask you a question. Do you think that drawing conclusion is easy?
For me, I think it's understandable and easy because of the graph, from the different graph that you presented. So it's easy to understand.
Okay. Thank you for that wonderful feedback. So now that you find it easy, it means that you've understand my explanation. So that's where the video ends. Thank you for watching this video.